Dear little friends, welcome to the magical AI world. Here is Lynn Shrimp and Second Dog Stead Body Feeling, a complete series of tutorials. Second Dog, I have a dream. What dream? I have been super longing for it since I was young. I want to travel the world. But I have no money, HMM. I also want to, but my pocket is cleaner than my face. I can first take you to travel the AI world. Suggesting to enhance your real photo and beautiful scenery. Open the layer and redraw part. Insert the input image. Select the first template. Press S on the keyboard. You can put the workspace into full screen mode without changing the character part. The hand-drawn mask needs to be noted to cover all the character parts. All smudged. Do not leave any edge hints. Must cover our main subject. A short-haired girl with closed eyes smiling. Plus the background hints we want to replace. Select the corresponding template. The good or bad of the boundary fusion. It depends entirely on the mask parameter. Everyone can adjust according to the actual situation. Mask area content processing. Choose the original painting redraw area for the whole picture, because we need the diffusivity after image to reach a higher level. So we need retain the color and light and shadow at the same time. Adjust the return amplitude to the maximum. And then put the effect into use. The effect is really good. We have now completed the photo enhancement. Now let's use AI to travel the world. Second Dog, are you ready? Ready? Let's first come to the romantic city of Paris. Look, the Eiffel Tower is so beautiful. And the Seine River is flowing gently. It's like a dream. Now let's go to Africa. See the vast grasslands and wild animals. Here comes a group of zebras. And there, a pride of lions. It's a world full of vitality. Now, let's fly to New York. The skyscrapers are reaching into the sky. It's a city that never sleeps. Finally, let's come to Tokyo. The cherry blossoms are in full bloom. It's like a fairy tale world. The AI world is really magical. It lets us travel around the world without leaving home. And the most important thing is, it is always full of unknown surprises waiting for us to discover. Indeed, this AI world is full of endless possibilities. Yes, and all of this is just the beginning. With the continuous advancement of technology, our lives will become more and more convenient, and the world will be full of more wonders. That's right, the future is really worth looking forward to. Let's work hard together to create a better future. Yes, come on. What is AI photography? It is letting AI accomplish what is impossible or difficult in real photography and make the subject feel engaged and recognizable. The highest recognition is the subject's face. So, we can use SD to create a photographic work for the subject's face, a template that's impossible to complete. Blend guys in, the blue points in it are the character's light and shadow, but these are not problems. We can ignore the details using the fetus features to create new details for these tasks. Open Contract Selector. Here we can choose the Chio model or the 1.5 model. Let's try the Chio's Chio effect first. Now we need a significant change overall, so adjust the downsampling rate to 8. And adjust the guidance stop time to 0.5. Enter the width and height corresponding to the input image. Be a little bold. Adjust the resolution to 1024. Select the 1.6 brand new sampler 3M Cross. Adjust the steps to 60. Choose the XL large model. Still input the subject we need to diffuse. A white-haired girl with closed eyes smiling. Leave the rest to SD. The diffused image composition is good, but there are problems with details and colors. It seems that the greased tie lotus is not very smooth, but it doesn't matter. We can save it. Only then can the images be diffused. There is a significant difference between the character's face, so we need to correct the original image. The contour of the character's face. First go to PS Photoshop. Do simple face replacement processing. Put into images at the same time. Then add a mask to one of these images. Select the mask. Use a black brush on the mask to smudge the area of the face we need to replace. Before the formal repair, we also need to color correct the image. Do some preparatory work. Return to SD. Open the selected software or location. Blur the image. Adjust the blur intensity. Turn it into a color block image. Click Save. Come to the layer diagram. Then in 3 steps. First step, put the layer diagram. We want to use it to complete the color correction of the image. The second step, Use CTRL's tile to input composition
Also input
information.
the title,
A girl with a closed eye smile. Select the prompt word template. Select the sampler. Adjust the iteration steps. The third step. Open the fetal bottom.
The key here is to select the zoom algorithm,
or a
but we
specific
adjust the
term. Magnification to 1. We want to cause what is called matching the zoom algorithm for image detail repair. What needs to be noted here
Pull the
is return amplitude to the
at the same
highest. Time switch to the 1.5 version of the model. Click Generate. Now the color and details of the entire image have been corrected. Finally come to PS. Use the mask to replace the face we need. But the image after this way of replacement still retains most of the composition of the original image. For the background and other parts of the character to make bigger changes, while retaining the color and light and shadow of the original
What should we
image.
do?
If you like this set of SD-free tutorials, hope everyone supports your every time. 3 years is our biggest motivation to keep teaching. Open the Tata diagram. The first step is to open the scene diagram. Choose Tile, presumably adjust the downsampling rate. Click to use. Open the perfect pixel mode. Adjust the vaginal timing to 0.2 and 0. We only need to use mistranslation
input color
or a
information
specific
and
20% to 40%. Then open the second CTRL depth. Similarly, guide the timing to adjust to 0 to 0.1. We only need him at the beginning to control the outline of the image character. Then open the third CTRL hook split pose. Then let him guide the character's posture throughout. Finally, adjust the width and height. Adjust the sampler. Choose the corresponding big model. Then input the prompt words we need to diffuse. A closed eye smiling half mechanical person. White-haired half mechanical person. Mechi Indoor Research Institute equipment movie stills. Adjust the selection of it. Choose the corresponding prompt word template. If you think the pressure of the 3 scene is too great, you can choose to open Thai House Flight and Thai House Sweater, then click Generate. Similarly, put the generated results into PS. Perform mask replacement processing. Now the character's clothes. The background has undergone significant changes. Of course, we can also use Lola to complete some unique iPhotography creations. Also use till depth open post. Adjust the corresponding guide time and stop timing. Enter the main body prompt word, a girl with a closed eye smile. Choose the Lola we need. Match the prompt word template. Click Generate. If there is a situation of jitter pollution, but you think this image is still good, don't worry, because we have learned how to save him. Similarly, come to the picture in the picture and put in the tuning image word, a closed eye smiling white-haired girl. Choose the prompt word template. Adjust the sampler. Adjust the step amplitude to 1 in the aliasing step open number. Thai House Flight. Choose the zoom algorithm. Adjust the magnification. Then open the scene. Enter the image we need to save. When the color difference between the two images is large, we can adjust the guide stop timing appropriately through multiple rescues to achieve the diffusion image we need. Of course, after the result, go directly to PS for color processing. Finally, use the mask to replace the face again. Now there is no problem. Of course, in the end, you can treat our previous template as a dress-up game. Combine it into the image we need. Alright, here are 0 change and second dog. See you next time.